and temperatures to start off our MLK Day right around freezing here in Houston. 30 degrees in Tomball, 33 at Bush Intercontinental, other locations in the upper 30s and lower 40s, but across the board, this is just a cold start to the day. Thankfully, we're not dealing with any winds right now, so wind chill not going to be a problem. And as we head into the afternoon, it's actually going to shape up to be a beautiful one. Expect to see mostly sunny skies, temperatures quickly climbing through the 50s. By the heat of the day, forecast high temperatures going to be in the mid 60s. Now, as we head into this afternoon, we are expecting a dry cold front to pass through, and that's going to help us see our temperatures quickly drop as we head overnight tonight. In fact, temperatures as we head into the day tomorrow are going to be just a tad cooler. You can see 62 to 64 tomorrow. It was very cold this year, though. Even though we're starting off chilly, it's going to shape up to be a wonderful holiday, what I would call parade perfect. Right now, temperatures starting off right around freezing, 33 at Bush Intercontinental, 34 out in Katy. But as we head through the morning, temperatures quickly going to be warming up under mostly sunny skies. By 9 a.m. already reaching 46 degrees. By 10, lower 50s. In fact, as we head into this afternoon, you'll see temperatures for everybody able to reach the mid 60s. Here in Houston, 66 degrees, 68 out in Sugar Land. So today, all in all, a beautiful afternoon, but we've got big changes this week. More details coming up. -8, Omaha 5, Chicago 7, and their forecast high is 9. Single digit 9 degrees. So even though we're chilly here in Houston, flirting with that freezing line at 33 degrees, it could be much, much worse. Temperatures across the board going to be in the cold side today, 33 in Sugar Land, 41 out in Brenham. So a very frosty start to the day. But as we head into the afternoon, parade perfect, 66 degrees. We are going to see mostly cloudy skies tomorrow with temperatures slightly cooler due to a dry cold front this evening. And then by Wednesday, showers are going to move through the area. Let me show you what this looks like because we're not tracking anything severe. Our dry cold front pushes through this evening, bringing with it a small push of cooler air for the day tomorrow. But overall, a pretty similar temperature-wise day. You'll notice cloud cover will be increasing tomorrow, so expect mostly cloudy skies, rain showers across the board. Thankfully, accumulations all less than Monday morning. Definitely bundle up as you're heading out the door. It's going to instantly get you because we've got some frosty parts across southeast Texas. Here in Houston, we're kind of flirting with that freezing line. We're 30 in Tomball, 33 at Bush Intercontinental Airport. So temperatures across the board, big jacket weather. Now, if you're heading out and you're leaving for the day, definitely make sure you wear layers because as we head into the afternoon, it's going to shape up to be a beautiful one. Temperatures climbing through the 50s at the heat of the day, mid 60s and sunshine. Now we are forecasting a cold front to pass through this evening. It's a dry front, but it is going to bump down those temperatures. I've got more on that full forecast coming up. Chatter on social media. So I want to talk about what we know and what we don't know yet. What I can tell you is that we are pretty confident we're going to see an Arctic cold front move in this weekend. This is likely going to be the coldest air mass this winter. The unknown is going to be the potential for frozen precipitation. That means ice, not snowfall. Let me show you what it does to our high temperatures. Right now, and I'm being pretty conservative with it, it brings our highs this weekend into the 40s. Sunday, that's the day to watch, 42 degrees. Not just the highs, but our low temperatures are going to be dropping right back to freezing. The big change here is that we are seeing the potential of some snowfall and some ice across Texas. Now, last year we had beautiful snow here in Houston. This year, this event does not look like it would bring any snowfall. In fact, forecast snowfall accumulations, this is early, but this shows most of the snow staying well to our north. Dallas, Oklahoma City, Little Rock, they could see some snowfall, which means here in Houston, if we're able to see any of that frozen precipitation, it is more than likely going to be freezing rain and ice. Now, the timing for this would be Saturday night into Sunday, and forecast ice accumulation is enough that it could cause problems. This is the part we're still not sure about. but an early look ahead, it is not out of the question. What I can tell you is that Arctic air mass looks like it's going to settle right over the Great Lakes. That's going to plunge their temperatures. And here in Houston, we're also going to be feeling the big impacts there. So while this week we're seeing a gradual warm up, it does look like this upcoming weekend, big polar plunge, ladies, coming up. I'll have much more on this week's forecast.